Yes guys, so now I'm gonna make some porgy. This is porgy fish already washed and soaked in salt water, and now I season it up with some Maggi seasoning and some Mrs. Dash seasoning. So guys, I'm gonna fry these fish before I stew them down. Yes guys, so over here I'm hotting my oil to fry my fish. Yes guys, so this oil is very hot. Now I'm gonna put the fish to fry. Yes guys, let's check on the fish. Okay guys, let's check on the fish. I said I was gonna stew these down guys, but I changed my mind. I'm just gonna fry these fish and then I'm gonna fry up the green peas and pour it over the fish. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take out the fish, drain off the oil, put it over there, drain off all. Guys, so now I'm gonna